Oké, het wordt eindelijk tijd om de Aerox zonder te pakken.
Red Wire fucking Customs in the house!
After reviving the Aerox in last week's video, we'll be doing an onboard test run and flyby today. We also went to pick up 2 new fluffies for the breaker leg household, and since this footage all been shot before breaking both my wrists, it was still peak of summer and we'll take you along a bit there as well. Thank you for watching our videos and supporting the channel, this means the world to us. Feel free to check out our spread shop in the description below, with lots of unique goodies and cool scooter tuning merch.
Dat is mooi.
Ah, dat is niet.
Gewoon op temperatuur.
Ik wil dat.
Allee, hij mag
warmer staan, hè?
Hij draait ook niet super, maar het is echt, jongen.
Nee.
Ik zou niet harder door die bocht kunnen gaan, dat ding daar.
Veel, hè. Ja, het is dat niet. Als je die filmpjes ziet...
Last visit to Spa, my suspension gave out completely, making me board the session and race day early.
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
I meanwhile bought new forks, new tires and new rear suspension, which will improve the driving quality a lot. Meanwhile, further down the property, we only just started preparations of the dirt track, and since we hired a crane, decided to remove a raggedy old chicken coop from the front yard. I do plan to hold chickens in the future, but I'm thinking of something more modern compared to the original coop. I'm taking you to the last section of the yard, which is intended to build a little dirt track. The conditions of the dirt track look pretty sad right now. We kind of postponed all work since I broke my 2 wrists and a few fingers on the ride out with the boys. We got everything mapped out in our heads, but we'll have a few helping hands on machines to set it up right when I'm fully recovered. This is the area though, which extends to the tree line at the back. A few trucks of sand will be necessary to level everything out, and we'll start building from there. Any suggestions are always welcome, of course.
Mooi, je bent zo zot.
Dat is straks, hè. Straks heb je... We weten eigenlijk niet wat het gaat zijn. Heb je 2 zusjes, heb je 2 broers, heb je zusje en broer, komt wel goed. Jij bent een grote jongen. Ik was al lang op zoek naar katjes, sinds dan Mieke weg is. En ik denk dat we vandaag een nestje hebben gevonden, waar er 2 samen beschikbaar zijn voor adoptie. Dus we gaan eens kijken. En eerst een paar inkopen doen, het nodige verzamelen en zien of een veilig thuis hebben. Dus yay!
We're heading to the animal store before picking up our 2 new fur balls.
Plezier.
It was a 45-minute drive, so we wanted to come prepared. Although we were in direct touch with the owner, he could only catch one of both kittens.
Waka 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 waka.
So we drove back home with just one little fluffy today. He's called Django. The owner promised us to call us as soon as possible when he got hold of the other kitten. From previous experiences, I noticed introducing cats to my dog is quite a pleasure to see. Casper the golden retriever is very submissive towards kids, but also very gentle for little or older kittens. And ignoring the fact this was Django's first contact with dogs and just got separated from his little sister, he was quite scared at first. It was actually just the next day both kittens, brother and sister, were reunited and started their new lives here with us, with all the shenanigans above.
Oh my god, ik wil wel een Renault gaan.
Oei oei. Jezus.
Oh.
Gaat het?
Nee.
Waar zijn die duivels die op hun kakken waren? Kom, wat een keer zien, man. Ah, hier, maar alle, zie. Al heeft Pippi gedaan daar. Schat, ik wil gaan. Pippi, hier. Hier.